Hey, what's up everyone? This is Oma and welcome to a new video. And today we'll take a look at Samyang 35mm f1.4 for Sony E-mount. I got Lana here.
Hi everyone.
My model today, and we'll get you through a live photo shoot. Let's go. I'm addicted to 85mm range, and this is my first time trying a wide 35mm prime lens. I wanted to test this long time ago, and maybe I changed my framing perspective, who knows. Eventually I tried different locations, and when shooting wide angle at the widest aperture, the shallow depth of field is great. I posted this image on Instagram weeks ago, and another 100% crop version. Check this. The 100% crop image is still looking great, and you can't even tell this is a 35mm lens. Even the shallow depth of field still looking awesome. This lens is heavy. You feel it when you hold it the first time in your hand. In numbers, it's heavier than my Zeiss 1635 f4, and roughly 2 times heavier than my lovely 85mm f1.8. The build quality is fine, made out of metal, and the focus ring is plastic made. I prefer it to be rubberized. Unfortunately, this lens is not sharp enough to me, wide open. f1.8 is sharper than f1.4. So I shot all my images roughly between f1.8 and f2.2. And the images are pleasing. I sometimes found myself struggling to frame nicely. 35mm is still considered a wide range, and by default it's gonna show more of the background, and sometimes it disturbs your composition, and most of the time nothing wrong with it. Well, check this image. It looks nice, but what takes your attention first is the feet. You probably look at them first cause they are closer to the camera. This is a wide angle lens, and I believe it doesn't fit all type of portraiture photography. It might be better in videos. So I had to step back and shoot a wider frame. This one absolutely looks better. And for the sake of comparison, I mostly spent the shoot changing between two lenses, 85 and 35mm. Here are some images side by side. The 85 isolates the subject more from the background. Nothing wrong with that, just a matter of taste. These two images, for example, shot from the same spot, at 85 and 35mm, both at f2.2. After this experiment, I prefer to pick up a 50mm lens over 35 for portraiture. I don't feel very comfortable shooting portraits at 35mm. It's just my personal opinion. Alright, thank you for watching, and if you have any question, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more videos. This is Oma, and have a great shooting.